Miss Ashley, Miss A, hey, what do you say? What are we going to learn today? Hi, friends and families. Today, for math review, we are going to be practicing our 10 frames. So you'll need a few things. So you can grab your homemade dry erase board and your marker or a piece of paper and something to write with. And then if you have it, some dice. I got these big fun dice from the Dollar Tree. Or even a deck of cards. If you don't have either of those, that's okay. We can just get numbers from our friends and families or make them up. And I do have my math tiles, so I'm going to use those. But if you don't have math tiles at home, that's okay. You can use Fruit Loops or Goldfish, and then you'll have snack math, and you can have the snack later, or dried beans, or anything really, or you can just color with crayon. So let's get started. I'm going to put my camera down so you can see my whiteboard. And I am going to draw a 10 frame. So I want you to draw it with me. So we're going to make a big rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And then we're going to draw a line right down the middle. And that's going to turn our one big rectangle into 2 smaller rectangles. And then I'm going to draw 4 lines across both rectangles, and that is going to give me 5 squares. My squares look a little bit like rectangles, but the idea is you have 5 squares on top and 5 squares on bottom. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a 10 frame. So we're going to practice filling in a 10 frame, and to do that I am going to roll a number with my dice, or if you're using the deck of cards, you want to take out all the cards that do not have numbers. So you want to take out your aces, kings, queens, jacks, jokers. Take those out and put them to the side. So that way, when you pick a card, I missed one. You're picking a card with a number. So let's start with that actually, since I have the cards out. And I picked up one. And what number is on my card? How many clovers do I have? 10. That's right. So 10. So how would I fill out 10 on my number frame? On my 10 frame. 10 on the 10 frame. That's right. I would fill it completely up. I would put one number tile or Fruit Loop or Cheerio or goldfish or whatever you're putting in there in every single spot. Because it's a 10 frame, it has 10 spots. So I'm going to use all 10 of my math tiles. I have 5 on top and then 5 more on the bottom. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, friends. I have 10 math tiles on my 10 frame. Okay, I'm going to take these off. Next, I'm going to use my dice. Now, if you don't have cards or dice, you can just think up a number or ask a friend, or you can use any of the virtual manipulative sites to roll a dice. So let's see what we get here. Oh, there we go. Almost lost it. All right, friends, let's count and see what I rolled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I rolled a 7 on my dice. So I need to put in 7 math tiles. So how many is across the top? 5, that's right. So 5, how many more do I need? 6, 7. That's right, I needed 2 more. So that is 7. And how do we write 7, friends? Do you remember? All right, that's right. Let's do it together. Across the sky, slant the line. Makes a 7 every time. Great work, friends. Okay, let's take off these math tiles. And we're going to do one more. So I'm going to roll my dice, get them ready. Here we go. Wonder what I'll get. Oh, that's 7 also. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we've already done 7, I'm going to roll it again. Try to get a new number this time. Let's see. Okay, we got a new number this time. So I have, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this time I have 8. So instead of using math tiles, I'm going to use my Fruit Loops. I'm about ready for a snack. So I'm going to make it snack math and use Fruit Loops. So I need to fill in 8 spots on my 10 frame with my Fruit Loops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Fruit Loops in my 10 frame to match the 8 on my dice. All right, friends, do you remember how to write an 8? Think about it. That's right. Let's do it together. Make an S and do not wait. Go back up to make an 8. Great work, friends. Y'all did such a great job with that. And I do want to tell you one thing about the dice. If you're rolling the dice, you can roll any number from 2 to 12. So if you roll a 12, will you have enough spots in your 10 frame? Think about it. If I roll 12 and my 10 frame has 10 spots, will I have enough places? That's right, I won't. So what I would do is I would draw a second 10 frame and I would put 2 dots in my second 10 frame after I filled the first one up. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put down my computer screen so I can show you what that would look like if we had a 12. So if you roll a 12 on a dice, it's 2 6s. That means I got 12. So I would need to make 2 10 frames. And we're just practicing, so they don't have to be perfect. But the idea is you have 5 spots on top and 5 on the bottom. So for 12, I would fill up the first 10 completely. And I'm going to use my Fruit Loops because I don't have 12 math tiles, but I have lots of Fruit Loops. So need to add some more. And there we go. That's how you would put 12, or how you would show 12 on 10 frames. And with the deck of cards, you won't have that problem because they only go up to 10. But with the dice, you can go all the way up to 12. All right, friends. That was so much fun. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.